If you're trying to log into TikTok on your iPhone and you keep seeing the message, unable to authorize, please try again. Don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can happen for a variety of reasons. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective solutions to fix it. By the end of this video, you should be able to log in and get back to scrolling, posting, and enjoying TikTok without any problems. Let's start by understanding what this error usually means. When TikTok says it's unable to authorize, it typically indicates a communication problem between the app and TikTok servers. This can be caused by unstable internet, outdated app versions, corrupted app data, or even temporary server outages. Knowing this helps us troubleshoot the problem step by step instead of guessing. The first thing you should do is check your internet connection. TikTok requires a strong and stable connection, so make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or that your cellular data is working properly. Try opening another app or website to confirm the connection is stable. If the internet seems slow or not working, simply switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can sometimes solve the issue. You can also toggle airplane mode on and off to quickly reset your network. Once your connection is confirmed, the next step is to restart the TikTok app. Swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen. Close the TikTok app completely and reopen it. If the error still appears, try restarting your iPhone entirely. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches that might interfere with app authorization. If that doesn't help, make sure you're using the latest version of TikTok. Outdated versions often cause login issues. Go to the App Store, search for TikTok, and check if there's an update available. If there is, install it and try logging in again. Updating apps not only improves performance, but also ensures compatibility with TikTok's latest server requirements. Another powerful fix is clearing the app's cache. While iPhones don't allow you to directly clear cache like Android, you can use a workaround. Open the TikTok app, go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Choose Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down to Find Clear Cache. Tap it, then close and reopen the app. This removes corrupted temporary files that might be preventing authorization. If clearing the cache doesn't help, you may need to reinstall the app entirely. Press and hold the TikTok icon on your home screen, choose Delete App, and then reinstall it from the App Store. This resets all TikTok data on your phone and often fixes stubborn login errors. Next, check the date and time settings on your iPhone. TikTok requires accurate device time to sync with its servers. Go to Settings, tap General, then Date Time, and make sure Set Automatically is turned on. If your clock is off by even a few minutes, it can trigger authorization errors. Finally, it's possible that TikTok servers are down. This isn't something you can fix on your end, but you can confirm it by searching online or checking platforms like Down Detector. If a server outage is causing the error, all you can do is wait until TikTok resolves the issue. And there you have it, a clear step-by-step guide to fixing the unable to authorize. Please try again. Error on your iPhone. Most of the time, one of these simple solutions will get TikTok working again. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.